What I needed, an SVR and a Bruins power play.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, west-central Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:15 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Franklin Grove to Tampico and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chaminade, Pawpaw around 10:40 p.m. Mendota around 10:50 p.m. Leland and Earlville around 10:55 p.m. Sandwich and Sominac around 11 o'clock p.m. Peru around 11:05 p.m. Oglesby and Sheridan around 11:10 p.m. Other locations in the warning include West Brooklyn, Sublette, Compton, Lee, Troy Grove, Cedar Point and Millington. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.